Engraving candles is one of my favorite things. Our customer wanted a heartfelt keepsake and requested that both the glass and the lid be engraved. In this video, I'm going to show you the AI tools we used to get just the right photo for our engraver. Hi, I am Kimberly Patterson, and I teach candle makers how to make candle art with engraving and sublimation. Let's get started. Let's take this step by step. This is the photo our client gave us. Step 1 is to import our photo into Gemini. We are asking Gemini to convert it to an engraved photo. The first result was not what I was asking for, so I asked Gemini again to convert it to an engraved photo for my engraver. The second result is exactly what I want. We now download it and are ready for Step 2. Step 2. Upload this photo to Prisma and select Curly Hair Filter. This will give the photo a bigger contrast so the lines engrave better. I use the curly hair filter for most of my engraving. It gives the photo more contrast and bigger lines. Step 3. Upload to Canva. In Canva, upgrade the image and select the font and heart for our final design. It is this finished design that will be uploaded to the engraver. We are using Better Saturday for the font and adding a heart as our client requested. When working with our client, she wanted a scripted font, and we settled on this one together. We changed the heart to black so it will engrave properly. Once our design is the way we like it, we download it and it is ready to upload to our engraving software. Step 4. Import into your engraving software and change the mode to rotary, then select the diode laser. Unless you are engraving on a white matte candle vessel, always select diode laser. Choose settings 4K resolution, 100 power, and 8 depth. Our first pass was 2K resolution, but since I didn't think the outcome was dark enough, I did a second pass at 4K resolution. This made a big difference. I apologize for not filming the engraving of the lid. The lid is engraved at 2K resolution with 30 power and 30 depth. The project turned out beautiful, and our client is very happy with the result. This is why I love personalization. Our customers are so appreciative. On this engraving video, watch how the second pass at 4K resolution makes a big difference. Comment with questions, and I will see you next time on The Candle Artist Way.